Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Are you familiar with the frustration of a cluttered mind? The endless what-ifs? The replaying of conversations? The paralysis of overthinking? We've all been there. But today we're going to tackle it head-on with 10 practical Stoic strategies to break free from overthinking and reclaim your peace of mind. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on wisdom like this. Ennui. Visualize overthinking as an external force. Overthinking is like fog rolling in. It starts small, then blinds you. The Stoics teach us, your thoughts are not you. Imagine them as clouds drifting across a mountain. You are the mountain, steady and immovable. Practice seeing your thoughts as passing visitors, not permanent tenants. 2. Refocus your energy. Overthinking is like having 20 browser tabs open in your head. Seneca reminds us, true happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence on the future. So close those mental tabs. Pick one small task, focus on it fully, and ground yourself in the present. 3. Embrace impermanence and let go. Thoughts feel heavy because we cling to them. Epictetus reminds us that everything changes. Visualize your thoughts as leaves floating down a river. Watch them drift away. Let go. It's not surrender, it's freedom. 4. Create a worry period. Give your worries 20 minutes a day, then stop. Write them down, examine them, and once time is up, move on. You'll find that most worries shrink when contained instead of running wild in your mind. 5. Break thoughts into small steps. Marcus Aurelius said, "What stands in the way becomes the way." Big worries feel like boulders. Break them into pebbles. Ask, what's the next small step I can take? Action turns anxiety into progress. 6th, shift to gratitude. Overthinking often comes from focusing on what's missing. Every day, note 3 simple things you're grateful for. This shifts your mind from scarcity to abundance. 7, focus on effort, not outcome. Outcomes are out of our control. What we can control is effort. So instead of obsessing over results, ask, am I doing my best right now? That's Stoic living, acting with virtue in the present. 8, practice voluntary discomfort. Overthinking often comes from fearing discomfort. Train your mind by choosing small discomforts, cold showers, fasting, or walking instead of driving. Discomfort toughens your mind and silences fear. 9, reflect on the transience of life. Seneca said, "We are not given a short life, but we make it short by wasting it." When you zoom out and see how short life is, most worries lose their grip. Ask yourself, will this still matter in 5 years? 10, seek wisdom beyond yourself. Your mind can be a maze. Don't solve it alone. Talk to a trusted friend, mentor, or even revisit timeless books. As Seneca advised, consult your friend on everything. Sometimes clarity comes not from thinking more, but from sharing. So, which of these 10 Stoic strategies resonated most with you? Drop your reflections in the comments. I'd love to hear them. If you found value in today's insights, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more timeless wisdom. Together, let's keep walking this path of strength and serenity.